Welcome to Pom in Oz Reviews, reviewing the world from down under.
G'day legends, welcome back to my channel, Pom in Oz Reviews. I'm Jason, thank you very much for joining me today. So just a quick one for you. Something that's caught me off guard, and I'm sure it's going to catch a lot of people off guard, or if it hasn't already caught you off guard. Office chair wheels. What a pain in the arse they are. So my daughter's chair broke. I only bought it a few months ago when I gave her a little home office for her schooling. And upon cleaning her room at the weekend, I noticed one of the wheels was missing and she failed to tell me. So obviously this caused a little bit of animosity because we got hard wood floors and we're in a rental. So yeah, at the end of the day, you try very hard to protect the floors that you're using in someone else's property. And so eventually I stripped all the wheels off, and because I decided I would need to get a replacement set, and it kind of bugged me a little bit with the fact that when I took the rest of the wheels off, this is what I found. So all these wheels are really jammed. Now for any of you who have partners, especially of the female kind, or daughters, you will know when you take a shower, their hair gets everywhere. Blocks up the sinks, blocks up the drains and all sorts. But it turns out their hair also blocks up the wheels on their casters. And as you can see, this is a right mess. And the other side of that is hairbands. So there's actually hairbands in this one, jammed up with hair. It's locking the wheels up, and unfortunately it caused one of the other sets of wheels to split apart. Now because she didn't tell me about it, she thought she could just rock on the other four wheels, she's begun scratching the floors. So obviously I wasn't too pleased about this, but I had to find another way. So a while ago I did order some wheels, and I wanted to try the big rubber chair casters, which are specifically designed for hard floors. So, I mean, these are the standard run-of-the-mill wheels that you get pretty much with any office chair, depending on where you get your chair from. But, you know, they're very basic, very simple, but they're plastic. They work okay, you know, when they're supposed to work, but when it comes to carpets and things like that, they're not so great. They do lock into the carpet quite a bit. But because they're plastic, they trap a lot of dirt on the outside of the wheel. So if they get caught on something hard, rather than rolling over that item, they drag it, and cause that scratches floors. So for any of you with hard floors, you would know this is a bit of a pain point. So I invested in some wheels for her, fitted them, and they're absolutely amazing. And I couldn't believe how good they were and why I hadn't thought of it earlier. So I thought, well, rather than replace her wheels as well, I'm going to do mine as well in my office space on my office chair. Again, I do keep my floors pretty clean, but every once in a while something hard will drop onto the floor and you can hear it scrape against the wooden floor as you're, you know, moving your chair around. With these new wheels that I got for her chair, that is completely eradicated because they're rubber. So I've decided to order another set for my own chair, and I thought I would do a video because it's probably something a lot of people don't actually think about at the time. They just ignore the issue. But upgrading your wheels is absolutely brilliant. I don't know why I didn't think of it before. But so I've decided to grab another set of these singular wheels, and I wanted to show you and give you a quick rundown and basically just show you how easy they are to change out, but what a difference they actually make on your floor. So these ones are from Amazon, and they basically, for the price, I couldn't believe how good they were because they're only $35.99 in Australian dollars. So these are a set of 5. They're very quiet, very smooth, made out of plastic, polyurethane and rubber. But I like the bearings on them. So if you look at these, this is just a pin pushed into a bit of plastic, and you know they're supposed to give you know, a nice feel of motion. And like I say, they're very basic, generic things that you get with every chair. You know, with most chairs, you're paying for the chair, you're not paying for the casters, you know, because they're just run of the mill. But this is a problem you end up with, especially with girls in the house. So I wanted to show you these ones. So these were delivered this morning, and these are an absolute go. So here you go. Here's the wheel. So as you can see, these are rubber, like you would get on rollerblades. And what a difference they make on your hard floors. But not only hard floors, they go across tiles really smoothly. And I rolled my daughter's chair over one of our carpeted rooms, and it's amazing how much difference there is between the plastic and the rubber, and obviously a slightly bigger diameter wheel as well. These are 2 inches wide. But the way they travel across the floor, you know, carpets is absolutely brilliant, and I just can't believe I didn't think about it before. So these have actually got, if you can see in there, a full set of bearings. So once they're actually locked into your chair, the motion is really smooth. It's so much smoother than these, because that is just a pin and a piece of plastic. But these are actually sitting on roller bearings. So if you look, this is exactly what you want, which again, when you're moving around on your chair, it makes the swivel that much nicer, that much smoother, and that much refined. So yeah, I wanted to show you. Managed to get myself a box of 5. So I'm basically gonna quickly just go through it with you, just installing them onto the chair, and I'll show you how they operate. I'll show you my daughter's. But yeah, so like I say, this is just a quick video, just something, it's just a food for thought, you know. Normally I wouldn't really consider reviewing something like this, but for all you guys out there with kids, office chairs and things like that, this is something worth thinking about now, before something happens, before you scratch your floors, before they get, you know, messed up like that, and they end up becoming beyond repairable. You know, so you might as well just throw them in the bin and start again. But at least if you want to replace them with something decent. These do give slightly more height as well from the base of the pin. You can see how much height you're getting for your chair. I mean, that's just under an inch of extra height you're getting on your office chair as well, because it's that much higher. So yeah, like I say, normally I wouldn't do something like this, but I'm hoping some of my audience, you're going to look at this and think, yeah, do you know what? I've never actually thought of that before. Let's look at replacing the wheels, getting some better rubber ones. And, you know, some office chairs are really expensive. They're absolutely astronomical in price. But you still get really crap wheels on them. So for the sake of $35, I'll throw the link up in the description on this one. Go and grab yourself a set, because it's an absolute upgrade. And you know, for you sitting in front of your computers, if you're working from home, gaming, anything like that, they're absolutely brilliant. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how they fit to the chair, how easily they fit to the chair, and yeah, make your own decision from there. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've just flipped my chair up on its end. So here's the wheels. And I'm just going to pull these ones out. So the website does say they fit 98% of chairs. So that's pretty much going to be a massive amount of the population, unless you get a specialised chair. So I'm hoping it's going to fit. But there you go. There's the wheel. Again, very generic, very basic standard wheel. And if I put these side by side, you can see already how much extra height you're going to get on the actual chair. So let's hope it fits. Okay, there we go. So that fits okay. And as you can see, it's just a little bit of force. Pull them out and push the new ones in. And there we are. That's it. That's the chair fully upgraded with new wheels. Okay, so there you go. You can see the wheels now. How super quiet that is. As you can see, I've got hard floors, so obviously with that issue happening to my daughter, it's kind of made me think about, you know, protecting this floor now before anything happens. And yeah, that is an absolute go, guys. Lovely wheels, rubber, move really smoothly. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so I've just come into my daughter's room, and as I said, I just wanted to show you the wheels I got for hers. Again, rubber, plastic, polyurethane, and they roll really sweet. So I don't know if you can see that, but we did get some scratches starting to occur on the floor through rubbing that broken caster. But we've managed to eliminate that. And obviously, as you saw with the plastic wheels, they're not very good when it comes to collecting rubbish. As you saw, they collect hair very quickly, but with these ones, there's just a single large wheel, and there's no way a lot of hair is going to get pulled up and collected into those little drive shafts. So yeah, I think they're an absolute go. Definitely come recommended. Again, they give you just under an extra inch of height as well. So it's definitely helped me on my computer. My head's, you know, much more level now with the center of my monitor, so that's great. So yeah, there you go, guys. Absolutely great. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching that. I hope I gave you a little bit of food for thought on that one. Something you might not have considered at all. It's certainly something I've not considered for the last few years, but I consider myself educated. So I hope this video has given you some value. If it has, please give me a thumbs up. Again, drop me a comment if something similar has happened to you. I'd be interested to see if whether it's just me and my kids and all their hair, or, you know, you all suffer the same consequences of girls in the house as with the bath plugs and shower plugs and things like that. So yeah, otherwise, thank you very much for watching. Like I say, I will throw the link up in the description for you, so go and click it, go and have a look. $35.99. There is a multitude of other wheels out there. I can only share my experience with the wheels I've got. But like I say, they work absolutely fine. I'm literally sitting on them now. No noise, no issues, absolutely great. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. And like I always say, don't let life get the better of you. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now. Take it easy.
Thank you for joining Pom in Oz today, and don't forget to hit that like button.